about how the relationship develops, and there's also like a socio-political message, like which is very subtle, not like out there on it, like take it kind. But yeah, so it's that. And well, that's what's happening in our country right now. So everyone's moving from the rural spaces to the urban areas, and so many of us are getting lost in it. We don't have our identity, we are anonymous, we are ruthless, and especially the laborers. Okay, I'm just ranting now, so I guess that's enough. I'm sorry. Please watch the movie. Thanks.
वे अज लखां धीआं रोंदियां तैनू वारिस शाह नू कहण उठ दर्दमंदां दे दर्दिया उठ तक अपना पंजाब वे अज वेले लाशां विछियां ते लहू दी भरी जनाब किसे ने पंजा पानियां च दित्ती जहर रला ते उन्हां पानियां तरत नू दित्ता पानी ला।
Can I invite on stage Ms. Dolly Thakur?
Definitely, I worked as a correspondent for the Indian Express for 7 years. And and I always think it has a major impact on my filmmaking. Because I never shy from looking up subjects, which people really wouldn't touch. This is my second National Film Award. Cotton Farmer Shroud, which is on the genocide of the cotton farmers in India, was the first one a couple of years back. And this film, I'll very briefly talk about it. It is on the farmers' widows of Punjab, these women whose husbands have committed suicide because they could not pay their agricultural debt. The man goes away, but the woman, her family, and the debt still stands. So this is a film about their courage, how they're coping up. And today I stand on their behalf in front of all of you. And I can only say, please watch the film. And thank you, Vift, for giving me this opportunity.
Next, I would like to ask for the screening of Astu. Do we have another clip? No? Okay. Then we'll invite scriptwriter, director Padma Shri Sunita Rupurwala on stage, please. And to give away the award to Sumitra Bhave for Best Dialogues. Not yet. We will take it on her behalf. Thank you. Perfect. Thank you so much. You're a good friend. Yes, please.
She's shooting for her next venture, so she could not attend this function. She apologized. And she said that she thanks Vivid for this wonderful program, and she's thankful. Thank you.
I'd like to now invite director-producer Divya Bhushan Kumar to give away the award to Bela Shende, Best Playback Singer, for the film Tuya Dharma Koncha. Is Ms. Divya Bhushan Kumar here? Can I give the award away to you? Bela, you're born into a very, very rich, very talented musical family. And you've been learning from different members of your family. So what is that like? Is that very challenging? Does it put pressure because everybody's so artistically gifted? I think that would be our best gift. I'll hold the bag.
सिंगल लोगों को हाथ मिलाने की बहुत आदत होती है, तो पहले रख लेती हूँ.
question. I think nobody forced me in my home that you take up music as your career. But it was like, it was into me, maybe. And I just used to sit 4 hours, 5 hours for a musical concert. And then I got to know that she has some vibes of music and she wants to learn music. So that's how it started. And I just hope that they just give their prayers to me and all their wishes to me.
Well, we're waiting for your song.
Actually, the song for which I got the award is in Ahirani language, so I hardly know it. So whatever I sing, please. I think it's a very sweet language, and the song in itself is very emotional, very, very sentimental song, and I just sing 2 lines. Khurkhura kasana manma pani vachil buda buda uthana vinima gut gula kasana होती नी सांस अंबड़ा सुतना खुरखुरा कसाना मरमा.
The WIFT Advisory Board to give away the award to Suni Tarapurwala, who's also on the advisory board of WIFT and also winner of the Padma Shri in 2014. So I'd like you to come on stage, please. Invite all the members of WIFT Advisory Board.
तो मेरे लिए कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. I'm more used to giving awards.
How are you associated with tech fact? Like, you've been
A lot of the people who are involved with WIFT, my mother-in-law in particular, have been involved from the beginning. So they had invited me last year. Last year I made a promise saying कि आप कभी भी मुझे बुला लीजिए. I'm just a phone call away. So this year they called me and I had to keep my promise.
How do you see the woman power in the film and the television industry? In the last few years,
Such बोलने तो it is not the best scenario. That's why I think it's important that organizations like WIFT should be supported, they should be recognized, and it is also important that all of the women in the film industry, चाहे वो actors, directors, playback singers, producers, कोई भी हो, it is important for them all to stand together.
but let alone women's in fact like on the stage, I think we were feeling a little awkward. एक और
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं.
साथ में थोड़ा
नहीं, I'm very secure in my manhood.
इमरान अभी थोड़ी देर पहले आपने कहा कि आप बहुत ही अच्छे अवार्ड्स देने में लेकिन अवार्ड्स लेने में नहीं.
जी.
तो ऐसा कोई अवार्ड जिसकी आशा आप हमेशा रखते हैं कि हाँ यार मुझे मिले. आपको मिल जाएगा.
Best dressed award.
Imran, this event is also about celebrating, women power and women achievers. So in your life, right from your mother or your teachers, how many women, which are the women who inspired you while growing up?
Honestly, no one has inspired me. Well, apart from my mother, I had my class teacher in class 10. So Miss Padmini, if you're watching this, thank you very much. But yeah, as you said, first and foremost, my mom. She's the toughest, deadliest woman that I've ever known.
And Mother's Day is just around the corner, and Avantika.
निकल गया Mother's Day.
And
She's not a mom yet.
yeah,
You're behind with your information. She's expecting. अभी तक मम्मी नहीं बनी.
and your mother. So how is it going? Is there going to be a special something for the lady?
A special something for the ladies. I'm hoping that there's a third special lady. Keep your fingers crossed.
And Imran, this particular style with this nail, like you perfect, guys. So particular. The next movie for?
पता नहीं.
just for a change.
नहीं मेरे क्यों आपको अच्छा नहीं लगा?
Yeah,
I think it's damn stylish. That's why I did it.
That's what I'm saying.
नहीं. My next film I'm not starting shooting until after the baby is born. So this is a hairstyle just because I think it looks cool.
इमरान बहुत सारे यहाँ पे डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज दिखाए गए. क्या फ्यूचर में डॉक्यूमेंट्री पे काम करेंगे?
एक प्रोफेशनल एक्टर डॉक्यूमेंट्री में काम थोड़ी ना कर सकता है ना. डॉक्यूमेंट्री इज अबाउट रियल पीपल.
बट आजकल बहुत सारे एक्टर्स कर रहे हैं. अच्छा
कौन कर रहे हैं?
Okay, but in just talking in like
अच्छा like
Hollywood, it's
that.
a trend like
पता नहीं.
they just don't the actors in
अब
Hollywood.
ज़्यादा सोचा नहीं. अगर कोई मुझे याद करे तो ज़रूर करूँगा. if somebody wants. हाँ? गलत सुनने में आया, गलत सुनने में आया, दोनों गलत हैं। भाई मैं जिम जाता हूँ, मैं योगा करता हूँ। आई थिंक फिटनेस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। एब्स अच्छे खासे हैं, लेकिन आज मैंने सूट पहना है, वरना दिखा देता हूँ।
Imran, lastly, your thoughts on motherhood and how special it is and how special your mom is.
I've not had the opportunity to be a mother yet in life, so
You know what I mean?
so it's not fair for me to comment here. I mean, मैं तो कह सकता हूँ कि बड़ी अच्छी बात है, it's great, but then until you're actually carrying a baby around for 9 months, you don't know how tough it is. So I can say all sorts of things, but it would only be
Especially things
speculation.
about your mom, definitely you can share.
That's very personal, yeah.
जिस तरह से विमेन ऊपर बढ़ती जा रही हैं, वी मेन नीड टू गेट वरीड. So yeah, I think they are like really proving their mettle. बहुत ही एक क्या बोलते हैं एग्जाम्पलरी तरीके से जो विमेन हैं इंडस्ट्री के अंदर आगे बढ़ती जा रही हैं. कहा जाता था किसी समय कि ये मेल डोमिनेटेड इंडस्ट्री है, बट आई डोंट थिंक सो दैट इट इज़ एनी मोर अ मेल डोमिनेटेड इंडस्ट्री. वी हैव इक्वल पार्टिसिपेशन फ्रॉम विमेन इज वेल.
राजीव, बहुत सारे एक्टर की तमन्ना होती है कि डॉक्यूमेंट्री में काम करें. हमारे कोई आपकी प्लानिंग है डॉक्यूमेंट्री काम करने की? बहुत सारी डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज दिखाया गया.
हाँ, बहुत सारी डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज दिखाएंगी. मेरी डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनाने की बहुत बड़ी तमन्ना है कि मैं वापस एक बार डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनाऊँ. मैंने पहले कभी डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज बनाई थी जब मैं एक्टिंग से पहले, लेकिन इतनी खूबसूरत फिल्मों को देखने के बाद लगता है कि मैं भी शायद कभी कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म बनाऊँ.
राजीव, ऐसी क्या कौन सी दो बात है जो लड़कियां कर सकती है और लड़के नहीं कर सकते अपार्ट फ्रॉम बीइंग गेटिंग प्रेग्नेंट?
बहुत दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं ऐसी जो लड़कियां कर सकती हैं. दो ही क्यों, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. आई डोंट थिंक कि जाना दो. बहुत सारी दिमाग में चीज़ें आती हैं.
Rajiv, Mother's Day is around the corner.
Yeah.
So tell us how much of an inspiration has your mom been and how special?
My mother has been a very silent, source of inspiration for me. She's always been there. She's never been very vocal about it, but her constant presence throughout my journey has been an immense source of strength for me. Even though she lives in Jaipur, I wasn't really interacting much with her when I left my house, but I knew that she's there always, hoping that I come back successful. Hoping that someday I'll make her proud of the fact that I'm her son. So now I think after a few years, when she started seeing me more and when recognition started coming in, I knew that the only person who was genuinely proud of me was my mother.
Rajiv, why do we see you very after Samrat? How often will we seeing you? बहुत एक फिल्म जाते फिर आप गायब हो जाते फिर वापस.
I know. I'm trying my level best to make my appearances more frequent. I am hoping that now I will not disappear for the longest time. I'm also hoping that I keep coming back more often for all those people who like watching my work. But yeah, I'm not a very party animal. I'm not a very social animal. So it becomes very difficult for me to appear in a public place where my fans could see me, only because I don't socialize much, I don't party much. But I'm hoping that a lot of my work will come very soon in front of my fans, where they get to see me more often.
I really salute this women power and I'm very happy to know that Petrina is doing such great work. और ये जो community feel है एक WIFT का, this is a very important thing. Women can connect in a very big way and people from all walks of life can connect. ऐसा नहीं कि film and television के अलावा भी बहुत लोग हैं जो जुड़ रहे हैं इससे. और मुझे लगता है कि बहुत ही important focus और एक platform है women के लिए. और मुझे लगता है कि ये बहुत ज़रूरी था, ये बहुत दिन से होना चाहिए था and it is doing so well. Or Petrina has requested me to do the Kolkata chapter. So we are starting the Kolkata chapter next month. Or Kolkata, maybe we are doing this kind of connectivity with the global audience can connect. So मुझे लगता है कि आज जो Petrina ने किया, मतलब ये जो organization ने किया कि national awards को impetus देना, इतना awards देना, इतना aspirations देना, ये बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. हम सबके लिए ज़रूरी है. हम काम करते हैं थोड़ा सा impetus के लिए, थोड़ा सा desire के लिए. तो ये जो fulfillment है, ये एक अलग ही fulfillment है. मुझे लगता है कि women का ये fulfillment और ये जो desires fulfill हो रहा है WIFT से, this is very very commendable.
बहुत सारे एक्टर हैं जो डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज में काम करने में लगते हैं, तो क्या सोच रहे हो आपको देख सकते हैं डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज?
मुझे तो आई एम काफ़ी इंटरेस्टेड टुडे व्हाट आई सॉ. इतना अच्छा डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज हुआ कि नेशनल अवार्ड में इतना ज़्यादा जगह मिले, तो मुझे लगता है कि मैं भी कभी शामिल हो सकती हूँ। अगर ऐसा सब्जेक्ट और ऐसा कुछ सोशल कॉज और एप्ट कुछ सब्जेक्ट लगे तो मैं कभी भी डॉक्यूमेंट्री में भी आ सकती हूँ।
So how do you see the woman power in film?
See, I think this has improved in leaps and bounds, and मुझे लगता है कि like it has been there always, but it was in a very docile and dormant state. But now it's all vocal and it's all out there, and women have made a statement in a very sort of dominating way. And I must say that this has been done with lot of conscious effort. And मुझे लगता है this awareness is there, and women are really up there to do certain things, and they have really rolled up their sleeves and said we have to do it, and we are there. So nobody can write off a woman right now because they're too much powerful, and I think they're at par with men now, even better than men, because I think women wisdom works even better.
First woman that we all look up to and get inspired by is our mother. So tell us about your mother. How much has she been an inspiration to you?
That's wonderful. I mean, mother is something very special and precious to everyone. I think the emotions of a mother cannot be replaced by anything. She's the one who has connected and bonded from the day one we are in this world. And I think mother is something which has to be kept in a very special way, very auspicious way, very lovely way, very giving way. I think mother is giving us everything unconditionally. So that unconditional love for all the mothers should be there.
Sorry, I can't help notice the scars on your cheek. What is with that?
What? I think somebody has kissed me.
Nitin, after the scene much of the Bollywood film title, a little bit away from the Bollywood film, what's happening?
See, I was always focusing in my regional cinema, and Bengal has been my forte. So, but Bollywood has been off and on with me. But I think I've done some interesting films in Bollywood. But this year, 2 of my movies are coming up. One is Tere Aane Se with Purav Kohli and Hitan Tejwani. That is directed by another Bengali director, Agnidev Chatterjee. It's a love story of 30 years of span. And then my film with Vinay Pathak is still stuck. Warner Brothers film, that SRK. So I'm looking forward for the Kolkata Junction is another film which is coming up with KK Menon, Jimmy Shergill, Nasruddin Shah. That is also up for release. And then I'm working for another film called Extraordinary, which is again, I'm a groomer of 10 underprivileged girls, and I'm a mentor for them, winning the pageant. So that kind of cinema I'm doing. So I'm looking forward for some good cinema in Bollywood as well. And recently my 2-3 films in Calcutta in Bengal has done very well. Last year my film was in Cannes Film Festival. So I'm trying.